to everybody that's come along today. If you intended to come along, brilliant. If you didn't, that's fantastic as well. We had about 6 weeks to organise this event, and it's working so far. And I'd like to thank everybody that's been involved in the organisation of it, because it's taken quite a bit in 6 weeks to make it happen. So to Alan and Mark from the Litten Tree Building, thank you for looking after the building up until now, and a little bit longer we hope. To Joy Richings for coming up with the idea in the first place. It's an opportunity we didn't want to miss, and we got in just in time. The Coventry MotoFest people have helped us with the other display, so if you see the cars outside here, there are another 50 cars, plus 4 cars in Broadgate. You haven't seen those? I've wandered up there, Rovers, non-Rovers, it's a really display. And we've got a cat in the front row here who was personally brought along the 1907 Rover 20 horsepower Tourer outside. That's the only car that we've got in the display that was actually built in this factory here. And Mark will tell us more about that in a moment. We've then got a talk from Maher, who's the chairman of the Rover Sports Register. He'll talk a bit about the cars that were produced here, so the products that were designed and built here. And then we have Tom Commander, who's going to talk at the end of this conversation about his conversations with his grandfather, who worked on the site here before the Second World War, between the First and Second World War. So we've got about sort of an hour's worth of talking, possibly. There's no shortest time I need to speak, but there is a time limit on it, and that's driven by Coventry City playing Wolves later on, which we couldn't imagine they'd ever get to the quarter-final of the FA Cup, but they have. And some people here want to watch that. But after these talks, Mark is then going to do a short walking tour out and around the site of the Rover Meteor Works. So if you want to participate in that, find Mark afterwards, he looks like him, and follow him around. He'll tell you even more interesting things he's going to tell you in a moment. So I'm going to stop talking and let Mark take over.